chill. The next one.
Big step up.
Glow, if I drop in, will you drop in?
Not saying yes, not saying no.
Earlier he said, I will walk back to the Braille house. Not saying yes, not saying no.
Dropping.
What? Put your shoes on. Look at his shoes. I mean, look at his socks.
What are you doing?
What is he?
You should have kept the layers on just in case.
Can't be thinking like that, dude.
What do you mean? I'm hot in these.
As Will was saying earlier, he's 80% mental, 20% physical. It's all in your head. All right, guys, we are very excited to be out here today in Berkeley at the Vert ramp, and we're all gonna drop in. Some of these guys, they do not want to do this. We literally have an Olympic champion vert skater here to teach us how to drop in. What more do you need?
All right, so what's the game plan?
He's doing 540s, we're trying to drop in. The reason I like this place, and I think we all got it, and I want to motivate my fellows here, is that because you can drop in there, 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 and
I think
there.
I need like an inch at a time.
No, you don't. If you drop in there, then you got that one. If you got that one, you got that one. If you got that one, you got that one. It's just science.
Look at that one's steeper.
Literally.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, look at it. All right, Mo, go ahead. Uzi?
The warm-up. Why are you starting here? You didn't even start on the small one. You're starting big.
All right, Glow, your turn.
And we were the Olympic team.
Oh, wait, yeah, go.
Small
Okay.
country.
Okay, that one's chill. The next one.
Big step up. Just go, dude. Don't think about it. Don't do that. Just go.
Okay, I won't.
Y'all can't think about it. You can't hesitate. You gotta just go. Get it over with, please. There we go. Easy.
First try, no
Easy.
big deal. Ha, ha.
You said what, Dan?
I want to see Aaron do it again.
Why, are you scared? Easy.
Like nothing.
Just, yeah,
Dan, don't look. Just go. Literally, just go. Please.
I gotta think about
No, don't think. Just go,
it. I
Dan.
gotta think about it.
No, just drop
That's how
in.
I do it.
Aaron, you gotta help him, dude.
Dan, you got it. For real.
I'm up here.
Dan, just go.
Forgot. Both of you guys got it.
Go. Just go. Just go.
Drop it.
Just go.
Make sure your wheels hit. You good, dude.
Just go.
Bend those
Just
knees.
kick the board.
Go. You got it, Glow.
Go. Just go.
For real. That made it way more scary. Oh, yeah. Okay, Roshan.
Let's go.
I just gotta be in the right mentality.
There's a little backstory. They were like trying to drop in on this thing yesterday, and they wouldn't do it. They did not do it. We continue. It's easy. You got it, dude.
You're literally holding him up. He's trying to do a 540. Dan, just drop in.
Olympian.
Go.
Hold on! Stop yelling at me! 3, 2, 1. Got it.
3, 2, 1. Glow's got this easier than Uzi got this.
I agree.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show him how it's done, Glow.
Yeah, drop that knee. It's the second your wheels hit, you're like, oh. Uzi, you got it, 100%. All right, Glow, show him what time it is.
What time?
Not this time.
You just drop those wheels. Yeah, you're golden.
Go.
If you can do that, you can do it. You're golden. He's not putting 2 feet on
Just go.
Alright, hold on.
This time you got it.
Wait, let me roll down there on the thing first.
No.
Yes.
No.
Let me roll
Dan.
down here first.
Right here, Glow, you got it. Godfather, right here.
Just let gravity do its work.
The second your wheels go down, it's a mini ramp. You're just in there. You just gotta push down hard.
Don't go down. Just do
Don't
it.
think.
Just drop in.
Go. Drop the front shoulder.
Go.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that.
You know what to do, dude. You can do it. The second you're like that, and the second your wheels hit, it's small ramp.
Yeah, Dan.
It's just the fear.
Watch out, Dan.
It was easier than you
Just
thought.
go. Just go.
It's
Just go.
easier than I thought.
Just go. Just go. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Woo! All right. Now go up a step.
I gotta do this one.
Throw it. Come on. Go. Full speed.
Was it hard though?
No.
Not bad, right?
Scary.
Give me that one.
All right, let's go. Helmets. Come on.
Just go.
Let's go, Aaron.
Go.
Woo!
Just 3, 2, 1, go. We,
3, 2, 1,
we did it
go.
though. We dropped it.
Woo!
Wait.
Do it again.
Hold up.
Do it again.
3 times? I don't got that many lives, dude. Am I a vert skater now? Number 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that was the best one.
Really?
Yep.
Don't look at it. No, the more you look at it, the scarier it is. But here, watch. It's literally the same thing. I mean, what is it, like a 6 inches a foot? You're not dropping any further. Your wheels just hit, same deal.
That's fire.
Dan, you ready? Go show him how it's done.
I don't know how it's done.
Just go do it.
What are you doing?
I'm just getting out of his way. You know?
Let's go, Dan.
Sincere answer ever. I'm just getting out of his way.
Let's go, Dan.
This is the same?
It's the same.
It's the same. Just go.
You got this.
You're making it harder for yourself by just standing there.
It's only
Well-
getting colder.
Drop in or come down here.
It'd be like that sometimes.
I love the excuses that they make. And by they, I mean Uzi. You want the knee pads?
I had some pretty good ones.
I don't know. I feel like that'll make me want to fall, but
Make you want to fall?
Aaron, just go to the big side.
You want me to just go to the big
Show
guy?
him how it's done.
Yeah, you're right. Uzi, you want me to just drop it on the big guy? If I got the big one, you got this one?
There we go.
If Aaron does this, Uzi, you better get up there.
Straight up Olympics, dude.
Let's go! Woo! Watch it! Yo, that was much better than the first time you did
You
it.
think so?
Yeah,
So I'm getting better.
you wobbled on when you did it at Woodward.
Yeah, scariest day of my life.
Let's go.
Don't think, just go, he said. Yeah! What? We dropped in, and now we're doing it. We're getting better. Uzi, get up there. Do it for me. Now that I
Let's
can,
go.
now that I can drop in, I
No,
may
wait,
as
you
well
gotta do it
just
three. You
session.
gotta do it 3 times though. You gotta do it 3 times to
Why 3
actually
times?
to learn it. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Hey, hey, Aaron. Hey, you know there's one more that you still gotta do.
No!
Yeah.
No
Yes.
way!
Yes.
The deal was this one.
No, you gotta finish it off. You gotta
No
do
way.
all of them.
We're good.
You gotta skate mega, dude.
you might as well. You're already here.
To
Yep.
that one?
Exactly. This is your opportunity.
Okay, go. You go to the big one though.
Let's go, Mogs!
I want to see that 540.
Let's go!
Wow.
Yeah!
I want to see that 540.
Let's go.
What?
It's your turn.
I did mine.
Moses did it. You gotta get his back. All right, here you go. You can be done with this. You can be done.
Don't even look.
Don't look, just go.
I gotta just sesh this, okay? Just watch yourself.
You can't go the Uzi route, dude. You just gotta go up there. Let's go. Woo!
I missed it. Wow.
I ain't not doing that again. That was scary. No way!
Listen to Will.
Dude!
Actually, like, stopping yourself. Crouch, like, stay lower when you drop in over there.
Stay lower?
It's like more vert, so you want to stay like a little lower.
Let's go. My hands are so cold. Let's go.
Wow. That was good.
I'm gonna tell Nigel how many times you dropped in. He's not gonna believe it.
I was going for it, right?
Yep.
I mean, I feel like that I'm getting a little more comfortable, that I want to try something else. But the thing that I can't seem to get is like when you go up, you're bending your knees.
Yeah.
Because I keep trying to like, not, because I guess when you're doing a skateboard trick normally, you like, you know, you're like,
It's extension,
Jumping?
not compression.
and I don't know how to do that.
Alec, you next.
Because I guess technically,
Slide down.
I'm doing on this one.
if you can drop in,
The light there.
you could do like a 180 tail stall. What's the difference?
I mean, you could do a rock to fakie. All right, well, to be continued number 2 for these guys.
No, Uzi's going.
Uzi's not gonna do it.
He's warming up.
I'm gonna try, bro. I'm trying.
He's gonna do it.
I'm trying my best out.
He's gonna do it.
You gonna do it?
I'm going to. I'm trying.
You better go down.
I'm trying. Uzi,
Oh God.
Lander slam. Lander slam. Come on. I'm back up here. I didn't want to come back up, but. Yeah? You heard that?
Yeah. No, he said it. He said it.
I mean, it's
I
hard
was
to
actually
lean too
referring
far
to a
forward.
song.
How the hell are you leaning too far forward?
Uzi said back to back.
Oh.
I
Go.
didn't say out back.
Okay, Mugs.
He said back to back.
Hey, oh, 3 backs. Back to back to back.
Go, fool.
All right. Right here.
I think he broke a bearing. Yeah, Jen! That was easy! Let's go, Will!
When I did it, when I was rolling, it wasn't scary, but doing it was so scary.
So wait, the thought of doing it is scary, but actually doing it
no,
isn't
like
scary.
the first like 30% was so terrifying, and then once I like started going, I was like, okay.
So you could just do it one more time?
I'm trying,
3
Gabe. I'm
times? And
trying.
then just go up there and do it
I'm
and be
trying.
done. And then you could be done.
I'm trying.
You got it, Dan. Hey, you got it. We would not tell you got it if you didn't actually have it.
You're a free boarder.
Literally. You're the Ice King. You're a freeboarder. And last but not least, you are a vert skater, Dan. Go up there and claim your title. Aaron, I love how you've just been wearing the helmet all day.
It's part of me now.
The same feeling.
Come on, for TikTok.
For TikTok? What the heck? Alright.
Let's go, Dan! Yes!
That was so much easier than I expected.
Let's go, Dan. I'm proud of you, dude.
Dude.
Run us through it.
I know everyone's. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, okay? It was pretty easy.
Anyone giving him a hard time, you try this.
Well,
Yeah,
it was pretty easy, but it's so terrifying. I thought I was gonna die. Shouts out Night Speed. You kind of encouraged me because I was like, I saw you do this. I was looking up videos of people dropping in. I saw him do it. Man.
You didn't think we had it. You didn't think we had it in us, did ya? Well, now you know. We're just all champions. Even Troy dropped in.
I took pictures of them dropping in.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. You got this.